This is a 2020 charcoal Adam Julite. This is a scratch and dent special. Not major, but it's a brand new trailer and I like them to be perfect. It does appear to have had some rock dings on its way to trailer country. I'm gonna try to zoom in on those so you can see them. There's a tiny little ding right here. It's just a paint chip, really, not a ding. And there up close to the top, you can see two little marks. Trailer's brand new. Just like our regular 2-horse Julites. No issues, except a little scratch and dent. You rarely have to look carefully to notice, but we looked carefully and we noticed. Brand new 2020 Adam Julite, scratch and dent. This side's a little worse. I'm gonna try to catch it in the right light. It's got a few more places on it than the other side, right in line of the tires. You can see these couple of places. Let's see. I'm blowing them up a little so you can see them better. There's one. And then up towards the top. There, you can see those little dimples there if you catch it just right in the light where the rock made the little ping. So, special deal on this trailer with the scratch and dent due to transportation. Looks like maybe we just got stuck in a bed of rocks and spun a tire. 2 escape doors, dressing room, great size dressing room, 2 saddle racks. We've got 3 sliding windows in here. Actually, the 2 on the front crank out, 2 on the side slide. Bridle hooks, window between the dressing room and the horse area. Spare tire, mats on the floor, full-length running boards. These are the upgraded Dalton escape doors. Of course, that one's locked. These doors are built in-house at Adam Trailer. This is an all aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum roof. The floor is a treated lumber floor, treated wooden floor. Bar head divider, 2 roof vents, aluminum divider, padded breast and butt bars, padded walls, padded divider, windows in the nose, windows in the rear, interior lights, load lights, wooden floor with rubber mats. Great trailer, great discount.